Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. Mahindra have finally announced the prices for the rest of the variants of the XUV700 flagship SUV. Previously, at the unveil of the XUV700, Mahindra had revealed only the prices of the MX, AX3 and AX5 5-seater variants of the XUV700. However, today they have announced prices for the diesel as well as automatic variants of the AX3, AX5 and the AX7 top spec variants. As announced before, the base level MX petrol and diesel variants are available only as a 5-seater, that too only with a manual gearbox. The MX petrol 5-seater manual variant is priced at Rs 11.99 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the diesel 5-seater manual MX variant is priced at Rs 12.49 lakh ex-showroom. For now, the MX variant is not available as a 7-seater. The second level AX3 petrol manual variant is priced at Rs 13.99 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the AX3 petrol manual 5-seater automatic variant is priced at Rs 15.59 lakh ex-showroom. The AX3 diesel manual 5-seat variant is priced at Rs 14.59 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the automatic 5-seat variant for the diesel is priced at Rs 16.19 lakh ex-showroom. It has to be mentioned that only the diesel manual AX3 variant is available as a 7-seater for an extra price of Rs 60,000. Which means the AX3 7-seater diesel manual variant will be available at Rs 15.19 lakh ex-showroom. The third level AX5 variant is priced at Rs 14.99 lakh ex-showroom for the 5-seat petrol manual variant, whereas the petrol automatic variant is priced at Rs 16.59 lakh ex-showroom. While the automatic variant is available only as a 5-seater, the AX5 petrol manual variant alone is available as a 7-seater for an extra Rs 60,000. So the AX5 petrol manual 7-seater variant is available for Rs 15.59 lakh ex-showroom. Next up, the AX5 diesel manual 5-seater variant is priced at Rs 15.59 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the diesel automatic AX5 5-seater variant is priced at Rs 17.19 lakh ex-showroom. Both the diesel variants are also available as a 7-seater for an extra Rs 60,000, which means the AX5 7-seater diesel manual variant will be available for Rs 16.19 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the diesel automatic 7-seater AX5 variant will be available at Rs 17.79 lakh ex-showroom. Finally comes the top spec AX7 variant, which will be available only as a 7-seater, be it the petrol or diesel engine options. The AX7 petrol manual variant is priced at Rs 17.59 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the petrol automatic version is priced at Rs 19.19 lakh ex-showroom. The AX7 diesel manual variant is available at Rs 18.19 lakh ex-showroom, whereas the diesel automatic variant is available at Rs 19.79 lakh ex-showroom. The AX7 diesel automatic version can also be had with the luxury pack for an extra Rs 1.8 lakh ex-showroom, and this luxury pack will include 3D audio system with 12 speakers from Sony, a 360-degree surround view camera with blind view monitoring system, passive keyless entry, electronic parking brake, vanity mirror illumination in the sun visor, and wireless charging facility. For now, all-wheel drive option will be available only on the AX7 diesel automatic variant for an extra Rs 1.3 lakh, which means the XUV700 AX7 diesel automatic all-wheel drive variant will be available at Rs 21.09 lakh ex-showroom. Mahindra have also announced that preview for exclusive customers of the XUV700 will begin from 1st October, with test drives starting from 2nd October onwards. However, bookings will be accepted from 7th October onwards, with delivery dates for the petrol variants to be announced later. Pricing for other variants including diesel manual all-wheel drive variants, petrol all-wheel drive variants, along with details of the comfort and technology packs are yet to be announced for this XUV700. So stay tuned for further updates regarding the XUV700 flagship Mahindra SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.